Bismillah, salatu wassalam ala rasulillah. Here I'm in part 2 in this course. As I said, I want to make some doors and windows, and after that I will take this project, this file, to 3D Max, and I will put the materials here. Okay, there. Sorry. What I want to bring some doors so from architecture, windows and doors. I want to put both of them. So the first of it, doors. So cancel. I don't want to save for now, and I can just put a door here, or I can just bring load family. I can load some doors. Sorry. What do we have? Doors. Yes, I have here doors. As you see, what type of door you want here? Residential, maybe this one, or any kind of door. We can bring it. Let's say this one. Okay, I want to bring everything sizes, and after that I want to change select this one and change it to the one that I brought before. Maybe this one. Yes, I think this one is okay. Anyhow, for the window again, load family, windows. So we have some type of windows. Which type we prefer, we can bring it. This we have. These types we have. Yeah, maybe I think this one is okay, or this one maybe. No problem. Okay. Sorry. Just want to click here. So bring here. Anyhow, for the dimensions, you can arrange the dimensions. If we go to top view, maybe we can bring, we can see it better. And for wireframe, this 230, maybe 2.5 is okay, so it's supposed to be in the center. And this one, the door, I mean, select it, and here 0.88, so 0.5 maybe, or not, 0.6 maybe, 0.7 let's say. Okay, 0.7. It's like this. As you see, if we want to change the height, the thickness, anything we want, we can change it here. Any parameters like before. Sorry. Just like before, we can change anything that we want. Still height is 0 for this one, and for the window, let's see, let's say 0.6. As you see, this is the height of the window from the bottom. Okay, so now everything is okay. If I want to make a camera, put a camera, I can do it. Otherwise I can leave it as it is. Okay, just save this file from file and export it to FBX file from this from desktop. I want to make a, let's say, sitting room FBX. Yes, no problem. Just save this file. After that, go to and open 3D Max. From 3D Max, I want to import it, and go to desktop. Where is it? Sitting room. Yes, this one. I want to bring this one. Okay. From here, what I want, I don't want to smoothing group animation. I don't have any animation, so I don't want animation. Cameras, I don't have camera, so I don't want camera. Again, lights, I don't want anything, so just bring it as it is. Yes, as you see, now it's this kind of design. Okay, so what I want, I have to put some cameras and I'm sorry, and give it the materials. For the cameras, for the rendering, I'm going to use, if you're going to render setup and V-Ray, I want to use V-Ray. Okay, so when I want to use V-Ray, I will put a physical camera. It's just like this maybe, and from the modify, it's targeted. If I don't want target, I can remove this one and just click here and select the camera, right click here, maybe C, so as to see this camera. After that, go to select and move and bring it up this camera. As you see, it's like this. We can see the width, so we can see whole room, or we can leave it as we want. Maybe 100 is okay. Okay. As you see, it's up to this one. Anyhow, this for them. For this one, we can just move the camera a little bit, like this, or okay. So let me just go back a little bit. The width, as we said, 100, no problem. Okay, so I want to put the materials here, but before I put the materials, as we see, if we render, it will render something black. Let me just try a rendering, and it will render everything is black. Why? Because I don't have any kind of, or any source of lighting. So what I want to do, I want to put even I want to put something sun, V-Ray sun, or V-Ray light. I can use. Okay, I want to use V-Ray sun, no problem. No, I don't want to change the environment, and I want to bring it up a little bit. Again, after that, I want to move this to here, or I can give it with an angle, so it's to be like this. And I can change the multiplier for something maybe 0.2, and let's try test. But first of all, go to render setup or F10. I want to use the, or GI, I want to use this one, radiance map, and this slide cache from radiance map. I want to use very low for now. Just right click here, and render, so we can see the lighting. Again, if you see, it's everything is black. What is the problem? If we put P for this one and change this one to facts, as you see, this one, when the sun comes inside, you see everything is it's just like a solid, this window, if you see, just like a solid. So if I want to move this one for now I have to see some lights. I will change this one later, no problem. So now you can detect very well that you have sun here, or lighting here. So what's the problem? This problem is because we don't give it any window material, so it treats with it as a solid. So just go back like this. Anyhow, I want to put some materials, or I can put this one a window. It's very easy. Just let me change something here. Enabled, I want to invisible my sun, and for the multiplier, even I can decrease this one, or I can go to here and raise it up a little bit more. After that, the first thing that I want to bring this one and give it a material. Okay, so close this one, press M on keyboard, so it opens the material editor. If it's your slot is not like that, you can go to change this one for the previous version. From standard, I want to use a V-Ray material. Okay, just select a V-Ray material. After that, we can just click here. It's two materials, multi-sub object, glass and aluminium. This is aluminium and this is glass. So for the glass, I want what we want. We don't want to use this one glazing. Just click here and V-Ray material, and from here, this is the color of the glass, maybe something like this, or white. And this one, the reflection. If it's reflection and refraction, reflection is the reflection of the glass, so just like this. And for the I want to remove this one. For the refraction, I want to see through, so I can bring down all the way. As you see, it's like this. Okay, so let's try for now. Render. As you see, now you can detect these lines, and this is the aluminium. So just stop this rendering. Okay, again I can change something of this one. For that, for example, shadow subdivision, I want to change it to something 12, and I can increase shadow base a little bit. And for what else I want to change it, multiplier, I think 0.1 maybe is okay, because I want to use some V-Ray lighters. So just go to here and go to lighters and V-Ray light, click on the snap, also just like this one. After that, close this snap, and I want to rotate it by 90 degree. Click here, so now it's okay. Again, go back, take put it in front of the window, and about the multiplier, maybe 0.88 is okay. Let's try again. Let me lower down everything just to be more for the common use is very good. Image sampler maybe come to wrong, and for the image initializing, progressive is okay. Switch globals, I don't want this. And in global, unlock noisy pattern, and color mapping, linear multiply, and GI For the light cache, yes, this is very low, and light cache maybe this one 500 for now, and just render. Everything is black. Why? What's the problem for that? I want to change this. I want to change back this to 0.2, and for the light, you can select it from top view here. The light is, let's say 5, and be sure that we select this view. And I'm sorry for the light, is I think I switched off the lights, yeah, as you see, and I don't want any displacement. Now render, yeah, everything is, I can see everything now, but the multiplier is very high, so I want to decrease the multiplier. For this one maybe 0.8, and from sampling or from options I want to give it this one invisible and render again. So now you can see the difference. Okay, for now I think is okay. I want to give another material for the rest. Okay, so open up material editor and click here, go to parent and select another one, go to standard V-Ray material. As you see, I have some materials here. I can use it. This is the shaded material. You can use any type of material that you have. Right click and make large icons, and as you see, this is the ceramic, and I have another one, I think, or I can bring it. It's pretty easy, no problem. What I can click here, open material library, go to the location that you saved your materials, 3D Max, and material lab. What's that one? Yes, art shaders. Maybe what we want to bring wall for now. Okay, walls. As you see, everything, it came with that one. Any kind of wall we can select, any kind of design. Or if you have your custom, you can use yours, no problem. Okay, select this one and okay, select this one. After that, go to and show material in viewport. I want to just click here, perspective. Here is okay or not. For the material, you can use UV double map. For the scale, it's better. I want to put box. And as you see now, I'm sorry, yeah. You can increase this one and this one also, the height and the width as you want. Maybe like this is okay. For this side and that another side, for this and that, we can use another one. So again, the same procedure, material. We use this one, maybe this type. If we use this one, I don't know it's good or not. Again, we can use the UVW map with it. Box and we can increase the height and let's say 500 by 500 maybe, or maybe 50 by 50. This one 500. Yes, I think it's now is 200 by 200. Yes, I think it's okay. So just go to see. It's not nice, but it's I want to put it very quickly. These materials. Again, this one I want to bring another one. Material library, again with the same position. Autodesk 3D Max, M's for material libraries, art shaders, and for this I want to bring wood. Again, right click, large icons. I want to bring some woods, maybe some parquet for the floor. Any kind of this, you can choose it. Which one you prefer. There are many types of the materials. Let's say this one. Okay, so okay, and select this one, assign material to selection and show material. As you see, now if we render this scene, we can see these, the walls and this wall. So it's like this. I want to change these materials because really they are not nice, so I want to change them. Again, I want to change the sun multiplier, so maybe 0.01 is okay, and I will increase this light multiplier by maybe 1.2 and render again. As you see now, it's more realistic than before. Here I have a sun. This sun is more less intensity here. Just stop this one. For the sun maybe 0.01, 0.05. Okay, so just I want to remove these two. If I could use some of these wood materials, maybe this one, I don't know. No, it's not nice. It's up to you. We can bring our custom. Let's try our custom. Okay, just click here and go to bitmap. As you see now here, every bitmap that you can use, or you can bring your custom again. Click here, and go to bitmap, and where is your maps and textures? Mine is here. Maybe this one, can use it. Any kind of it. Let me try this one. Open and show map in viewport. Again, I want to change this to perspective. I'm sorry. To zoom in. Let me try this one. As you see now, we have some problems with this material. We can look at outside is more clear. As you see, we have some problems here. How we can solve this problem? It's very easy. Just go to apply crop and view image. As you see, this image should be the complete for that one. So I want to just go to this side. As you see, now we could solve this problem. Okay, this one should be continue like this, but for the top and bottom, again the same procedure. We can bring it here with this blue line and finish it with this line. No, I think before was better. As you see, now we have some problems here. If we bring it up, yes. Now in this way we have no problem. Anyhow, so again go to camera, go back to camera. I want to change this one again for the material. I don't want to mix anything, so click here and go to bitmap. I want another bitmap, this one maybe, I don't know, maybe. Let me click render. Yeah, I think it's okay. Yeah, it's very good for now. After that, what I want to do, after that I want to give the materials for this one, but this is for the part 3. So this for that's for part 2. I will see you in part 3, God willing.